As we have seen, water is the main agent of decay. Condition depends on the type of metal and the design and detailing. Ferrous metals are wrought iron, cast iron, and steel. Wrought iron is low in carbon, ductile, and good in tension. Cast iron is high in carbon, hard, brittle, and good in compression. Decay occurs in metals due to environmental issues, humidity, defects in manufacturing, and poor repairs or interventions. The basic mechanism is corrosion in the presence of oxygen and/or water, producing forms of iron oxide. It can be accelerated in presence of certain salts. Key areas to consider are joints and connections, and the wrought iron delaminates, making it to look similar to wood. Non-ferrous metals are bronze, copper, aluminium, lead, bronze, zinc, nickel, and chrome. Lead corrodes due to corrosion from tannic acid, oak, and other organic acids in wood, which produce a white coating. Also, some acids such as acetic, hydrochloric acid, and hydrofluoric acid. Acid from lichens, alkalis, cement and mortar create a reddish oxide. It also has poor corrosion resistance to acids from insects, formic, and nitric acid. Good corrosion resistance to sulfuric acid, phosphoric acid, and chromic acid, and is subject to mechanical deterioration. The natural corrosion in copper creates a protective patina which makes it to change in color over time, brown to black to green in around 10 years period. It becomes a corrosion-resistant material. Still, it is subject to chemical reactions by, for example, acid from mosses and lichens in the presence of water, also affected by mechanical deterioration due to environmental issues or defect in manufacturing. It can cause galvanic corrosion to adjacent metals. Bronze is a copper alloy of around 90% copper, alloyed with zinc, tin, and lead to improve properties. Other metals, such iron, can be found in a small quantity. It creates a natural patina due to environmental exposure, but also an artificial color patina was applied traditionally. Has poor resistance to polluted environment and acids from pigeons' droppings. It is also subject to mechanical deterioration. Very important to consider the bimetallic or galvanic corrosion occurring due to different anodic index. Most reactive metals are mild steel, wrought iron, cast iron, and less reactive metals are copper, silver, gold, and platinum.